Looking for the best scroll saw for your next woodworking project? Stick around, we've tested the top contenders and ranked them from worst to best so you don't have to. Starting off our list is the WEN 3922. It's a budget-friendly model and the weakest overall on our list, but it's got enough features to catch the eye of casual woodworkers or total beginners. If you're just dipping your toes into scroll sawing and want something basic to get started, this might just be the ticket. For its price, it does offer quite a bit. You've got variable speed control, a 16-inch throat, and a tool-free blade change setup, surprisingly convenient at this level. The cast iron base is also a nice touch to reduce some of the shake. It even sports both pinned and pinless blades, which is rare for its class. But the performance comes at a cost. Vibration is a big issue with this model unless you bolt it down hard. Blade clamps can be finicky with pinless blades, and overall durability isn't what you'd call long-term. The dust port is underwhelming, and some parts, like the table insert, feel cheap. If you're a beginner on a tight budget and only plan light, occasional use, this could work. But for anything more serious, you'll want to keep watching. And by the way, you can find links to all these saws at the best prices right below this video in the description. Next up is the Ryobi SC165VS. It edges out the WEN 3922 by offering a more refined build and better dust handling. It's still in the budget category, but it feels like a step forward in terms of design and usability. The Ryobi has a tool-free blade clamp that handles both pinned and pinless blades, and the integrated vacuum-compatible dust port is a nice bonus. The cast iron base keeps it more stable, and it's got a decent 3/4 inch stroke length, ideal for basic to intermediate scroll work. The variable speed feature also helps adapt to different materials more effectively. Still, it's not perfect. The motor is just okay for softer woods, but it struggles with dense hardwoods. Some users mentioned that the base may come misaligned out of the box and needs adjustment. And while it reduces vibration better than the WEN, it still needs a secure mounting spot to stay steady during cutting. If you're a DIYer who's beyond the beginner phase but not quite ready to go pro, the Ryobi is worth a look. And hey, if you're finding this breakdown helpful, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews like this. Coming in the middle of the pack is the WEN LL2156. It's definitely a step up from its cheaper sibling thanks to its extended 21-inch throat and better blade flexibility. If you're working on larger or more intricate projects, this one gives you more breathing room. This saw's build is pretty solid, with a steel table and a parallel arm design that does a better job of controlling vibration. The speed range is the same as the others, but the motor is a bit stronger, which helps for thicker or tougher materials. Plus, the blade changes are super easy thanks to a side panel flip system. Where it falls short is reliability. Some users have had issues with bearings and quality control. There have also been complaints about blade alignment and tension consistency, especially on long sessions. It's not a deal breaker, but something to be aware of. If you want a large capacity saw without jumping into pro prices, the LL2156 could be a solid fit. Just keep an eye on its maintenance needs. Narrowly missing the top spot is the JET JWS-S18B. Now we're moving into professional territory. This saw is built for serious hobbyists and small shops who want reliability and smooth performance. The JET stands out with its large steel table that minimizes vibration and a blade clamp that's genuinely a joy to use. The arm stays lifted, which is great for making internal cuts, and the 2.5-inch dust port actually works well with most shop vacs. Everything feels solid and deliberate. This is not a toy. But it does have a small motor, only 1/16 horsepower, which makes it less ideal for super dense hardwoods. And while the arm tilts 45 degrees right, it only goes 30 degrees left unless you remove the dust port, which is a bit of a hassle. Still, for its precision, cutting comfort, and excellent build quality, the JET is a strong contender. If you're a serious woodworker who wants performance without overspending, this is where your search might end. Taking the crown today is the DEWALT DW788. This scroll saw has become a legend in woodworking circles, and for good reason. It's the best mix of power, stability, and usability you'll find without stepping into industrial prices. The DEWALT uses a double parallel link arm that's engineered to reduce vibration and noise significantly, and it shows. You get silky smooth cuts, and the tool-free blade clamps make changing blades super fast. The front-mounted controls are intuitive, and the cast iron table gives you full bevel capacity in both directions. Now, it's not flawless. The upper arm doesn't lock when lifted, which can make internal blade changes tricky. Also, there's no dedicated dust collection port, just a blower, but those are minor gripes for what you get overall. If you want the smoothest, cleanest cuts and a saw that'll handle anything from fretwork to hardwood scrolls, the DEWALT is the one to beat. Ready to pick the right scroll saw for your needs? All the top choices from this video are linked in the description below, so go check them out. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth tool reviews just like this one.